Alright, so I already put together this bottom piece. Just put the legs on there. They're not even tightened in there. I'm gonna put these screws. Just gonna go right up in there, the little silver bracket, those. That's how we'll tighten it down. And that wood sled goes in them holes right there. But first we'll get this side tight. Alright, so I got the post on there. This middle post does have a wood tab that goes right there in the middle. Otherwise, 1, 2 screws on that side. The other 2 over there on that side. Now we're gonna unscrew this, swing it up, screw it down. Again, we're not gonna tighten nothing. I already had tightened these wood slats though. The wood slats are good to go. So as you can see, those are loose. Them 2, them 2, them 2. That's why that right there is swinging. Sorry if I'm swinging this camera a little bit too fast. Okay, with this long piece right here, we're gonna make sure that we put the wood tab in the top hole, because there goes the hose of where the roof is gonna attach. So as you can see, we're gonna do the top hole right there, that one. Then the screws are gonna put below it. Okay, so there is a difference in the size. We're gonna grab these ones right here with the flat side. Oh, shoot. Remember, we got that hole right there. So, dropping that, we're going with it right in there, okay? We're gonna tighten it just a little bit, but still leave it loose. All right, got that bad boy on there and loose like we needed. Now let's get over here to the next step. All right, now next we're gonna take this board right here. We're gonna place it on up here, right here on the sides. As you can see, the holes right there. So do that with these longer screws right there. Sorry, focus. Like that. Okay, so that hole is for these 2. The other hole is right there. Okay, now them special bolts, they go right here. That's one side, and the other side. There's 2, and then the third one is right there. You pretty much just let those right there just set on top. Then now since we have like the housing together, now we could go ahead, start tightening up all these screws, you know, push this flush together and do all that. Start with the frame, work our way up. Also, do not forget this one right here. I didn't forget it on this side, but I did forget it on this side because I was left with 1 extra. So this right here, it goes in here. As you can see, bam. All right. So you gotta make sure that you do that first before you go ahead and put this board on, because once you put the board on, it's gonna block it from the hole. Okay, so now we're in there. As to the slats, you just push over the pins and then you tighten that in there. There's a hole here and a hole here. Them 2 holes. And then you'll see that peg there and that peg there. Now for that hole, we'll take the other screw. So you see where that screw goes? Right in there. That's where the other screw goes in. All these other screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, remember, those are guiding toes. So screw here, and I'll put the screw here. Another one right there. 1, 2, 3. 4th one is gonna be right there. So on this, it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. screw them in. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we gotta do that one right there for 6. 1, 2, 3. Ouch. 4, 5. So that's the screw right there too. And the other one goes right there. Alright, there goes all the screws. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam, bam. So now we just slide the
It might be this. This one gets connected.
Now for the